What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we are going to be installing this awesome Poison Spyder Diff cover right there. We got one for the front and one for the rear. Now the reason we're doing this is because the stock one is leaking like crazy. It's made a huge mess on the asphalt here, and it is about time to fix it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Smells so good.
Come here. Let me tell you to. I can. But I can type more faster.
There we go. As you can tell, it's pretty banged up.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of gear.
So, time to replace it. Alright guys, so I got the diff cover off, obviously. Just inspecting the gears, everything looks good. And cleaned up the surface here with a razor blade, making sure everything's good. Now just gonna get ready to put the new cover back on. So, here we go.
Put gas in the tank, put a little smoke in that tray, put a little feel good in our craze, yeah. Put a little fifth on ice, put a little look in her eyes. Sure bought a lot of time with my baby. Got us out on the edge of town. She'd fly me up and I'd lay her down. Those nights got hotter, spending those blue collar dollars. Those blue.
Alright guys, so I got the rear installed and the front. I went ahead and did the front too, as you can see right there. And so I had a gasket come in from Off-Road Elements for the rear lube blocker, and I decided that I was going to go with one for the front too, but it didn't show up. I wasn't really didn't plan this correctly, but due to weather I went ahead and put on the front. I have some RTV, so I just went ahead and did that. Just waiting for it to dry up a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw oil in it and make sure everything works. So far I'm pretty impressed with them. My stock ones were super beat up, so I'm gonna be happy having something a little bit stronger and sturdier. Not have to really worry about it on the trails, not beating it with a hammer like I have been and throwing RTV in it. So yeah, but that's the look of it so far, you know. I'm sorry I didn't get that video done that I said I was going to get done. For those that are actually watching, I said I was going to do a little video for Jeep girls. That video will be done, I promise. We are going to do it, but it's going to take some extra help, so got to kind of get some help for that. But thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to keep on cranking out different videos, any little thing I do to the Jeep and any little video I can think of. But for now, have a great day.